Okay, so my Exploding Kittens actually came today. I got a notification yesterday that it had shipped and that it would be here on Saturday the 1st. It actually came today, Friday the 31st of July. I have it here. I have not opened it yet, so here we go. And I have roommates listening to Game Grumps in the other room. So here we go. So, this game was shipped by Black Box, a boring new business company from the Cards Against Humanity people. Let's see here. The card from the Oatmeal Backer campaign will send you our game. And I have the two boxes in here. I ordered two sets, one of the regular game and one of um, the not safe for, two of the not safe for work edition. There's also a comic. Personal has my turn. So there we go. And let's see here. So this is the Exploding Kittens, a card game for people who are into kittens and explosions and laser beams and sometimes goats. And so this is the collector's edition box. And we're going to see how, oh yeah, this has a magnetic clasp on it. And we're going to see what the bonus item was for backing this. So here we go. Very cute. Okay, so that's for the other deck. Okay, how does this? Taco Cat. Move this over here. And there's the Exploding Kittens rules. And I'm going to set the camera down for just a second. This up. Okay, there is nothing but cardboard here. We'll see just if there's... Aha! Under the cardboard is the surprise. And I should be able to pull this out. Ah, it's the sound chip from this. So, yeah, we have little Exploding Kittens Zen Garden, we have the cards, and this concludes the Exploding Kittens unboxing.